Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and that was Glock and Spy, and it was on my VW, my Sharper Image VW, and this is time for coin roll hunting. I got my $100 back from the evil company. They were going to take 5 days, but I said I'm taking you to a small claims court because they made me late my rent. I had to pay a $35 late fee. I am very never late with the rent and pay it on time, and I always pay more than the rent. So let's see what's in this roll this time. I will be doing laundry. I have nowhere to go. The person with the video camera flaked up. That's all right. I can buy a brand new one on eBay for $42. So, and we'll get that next month, and there will be a new iPad, a new iPad at the end of the month. Not new, but new to the channel, so I'll have an iPad. All right, here we go. Nothing there. All I could afford, because I had to give so much for the rent, was $10 in quarters. So that's all you're going to see. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And finally, nothing there. But I have about 40 bucks in quarters. I got my Clipper card back today. Yay! And it had $15 on it, so I don't have to spend my valuable laundry quarters to take the bus. All right, that's it for now. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And stay warm and dry and stay safe. And here we go.
Control card. Dive. I'll head 2/3. Bring out the ball plane. Straight board, sir. Straight board line. John, control. Straight board.
Very well. Make your depth 200 feet.
200 feet high. Make a depth 200 feet.
200 feet high, sir.
5 degree down, both. 5 degrees down.
Open it, man.
All compartments report condition not on the dive, sir.
Secure the phone.
Secure the phones, aye? Secure the phones.
Bye-bye. Oh, I can play a little bit of this, too. Darktown Strutter's Ball by E. Jammy Jams.